Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading Pips. And how are you guys? Hope everything's going well. From some time we were not going live due to some personal reasons. So yeah, we back right now, and yeah, here we go. That's good. So today we are gonna predict the future market of gold, Euro USD, and Great Britain pound against US dollars. So here is it. Let's start with Euro US dollars. Okay, and here are we. Let's go on a reset chart view. We are on a 1 hour time frame, and all I can see is that we had a big bullish movement on 5th from 5th March. Continuation goes till 6th, 7th, and I guess up till 6th March we got a still continuation of bullish movement on euro against US dollars. And yep, here we see something great retracements also. Let's see, just a moment guys. And okay, so here we are, and all I can see is a good amount of retracement from the zone. So that's our premium zone, that's our again lower zone, resistance zone, and it's going to our support zone. So currently our market is in our support zone over here. It's a good support zone I can find, and that's our premium zone too. This is our premium zone. If we extend it a little bit more, it's gonna be a premium zone too. So but all we want to focus is upon this. So if you want to predict the future trade, so if I go into a longer time frame, which is again 240 minutes, which is 4 hour time frame, all I can see that we can have a bullish continuation trend over here, as we saw a good bullish movement from the past I guess a week. Good bullish movement. So all I can see is that we can have a retracement from good retracement, because the movement is so good and so volatile. All I can see is that if we're gonna have a good from this lower low to this lower high, and that's this, we can have a good retracement from this one. It's 0.5 to 0.6 golden pocket again over here. So as much as I think, if I take a zone over here, this one, and take or cancel this and go to 60 minutes time frame, all I can see is that we do really have a good probability of going as watching at the zone over here, which is again a bullish, heavily like a volatile bullish market. So even if reverses from this movement, depends upon this candlestick. Okay, to be honest, if it didn't reverse from this movement, it's gonna reverse from this for sure, because it's a 4 hour time frame Fibonacci retracement golden pocket. So yeah, highest probability. And but you're gonna watch the market though. We can't predict right now, but all is the highest probability, a 70% probability of going on a bullish side, and 30% goes to the bearish side. Let's see the next. Let's see the next one. Next currency pair is Great Britain pound against US dollars. Okay, here we go. And just a moment. Let's see. Recording going well. Yeah, it's going well. So here are we. Let's go reset chart view on a 1 hour time frame, and let's make a full screen view right now. Let's go again over here. If I take, okay, all I can see is that okay, impulsive consolidation market, and on 1 hour time frame, just because we have seen a good amount of rejections from this zone over here. So let's see, just take a 4 hour time frame for a better review. 240 minutes. Okay. Market is again impulsively bullish over here, and it was once again seen last time from this zone. Market tends to reverse from this. I guess it was a Fibonacci zone. Let's figure it out over here. Let's take a lower low at this point, as this was a trend mover, and let's take a higher high. Okay, over here. So if we go and look at the market at this position over here on 4 hour time frame, all we can see is that the market institutionally reversed from 0.5 to 0.618 over here, which again tends to make us a buy movement. So if we go into 5 minutes time frame over here, looking at this, just a moment, and okay, where are we? Oh shit. Okay, leave. Let's go to 240 again. Yep, so here if we go on a 5 minutes time frame, all we can see is a good reaction at this point. So I would have taken a buy at this point, to be honest. I'm not lying. I could have taken a buy at this point because this was the first rejection from, like, at first of all it's a golden pocket. Second of all, it's a 4 hour time frame Fibonacci retracement. So it's got a lot of volatility as well as power over here. So I can't take a trade at this moment and hold it. Like, it could have taken a lot of days, I guess, or weeks, probably more than weeks. So yeah, let's see how many weeks. 18 days, but eventually it got us a good number of pips. How many pips? 420 pips in Great Britain pound. That's a very good range, to be honest. If we go, if could have taken one lot of trade, like within, I guess it's 27 day. Okay, over here, let's take at least over here. Okay, let's go over here. Like, it's a 14-day trade, 248.7 pips. If you could have taken one lot into 248 pips of range, you could have taken, let's take a FX calculator. Okay, I guess I have in this ID maybe. Let's see. Okay. Not a bit slow, but not a big deal though. Let's see. Okay, I guess I'm downloading Far Cry 5. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so leave. Leave. If I give you an estimate of this thing over here, let's go on estimated thing. So even if I give an estimate, so one pip, if I take a one lot, it's gonna give me $10 of profit on, like, $10 of profit on every one pip. Okay, so it's 248 pips. So if you multiply into 10, it's gonna be somewhere $2487, like within, I guess, 2 week. Yeah, 2 week continuation. Good range, like $2,480 and maybe 2 weeks. That's really good. Like, if you multiply into our currency on an overall basis, so it's gonna be around 248 to, okay, 2487. Let's say multiply 10 to, let's open a calculator in front of you guys. It's gonna be better. So ARV calculator. So if we take 2487, okay, so one pip, one lot, if I take estimate of one lot of trade, which is gonna give me into $10 per pip movement, so which is gonna be like 1 to $10 for pip movement. So if I multiply $10 for one pip, so into 248 pip 0.7, so it's gonna multiply with 248.7, $2487. So if I convert into my currency over here, which is, let me show you, USD to INR. If I go with 2487, it's somewhere around 1,100. It's 2,13,882 rupees in 2 weeks. That's a good amount of money though. So yeah, that's the thing. That's one of the good things. So yeah, here it is. Great Britain pound. So if I take another analysis of the share, this thing, let's take a recent chart view, and if I go on I have Fibonacci mark over here. I've already done it. So for your confirmation, I'm going to show you if that's a reversal, low high, rejection. So I'm going to take at this point. This is going to be my golden pocket. I would be closely monitoring the zone over here, because it has the ability to take the zone up till over here. Yeah, so it's gonna be somewhere around, let me show you, up till, I guess, how many pips, Okay, it has a probability to take me to 604 pips, which is again $6,000 within like I can't say, but yeah, it has the highest, like it has a cap, like very high probability of taking to me this zone. So yeah, that was our GBP USD, and future forecast of GBP USD says that it's gonna go. Okay, let's take a one more thing, confirmation thing. It's gonna go up, like highest probability, because it's in a. If I go with this, if I take this from this to this, mm-mm, it's in a bullish way. Oh yeah, it's gonna take retracement from this zone, I guess. Up till this, it's gonna go fall and take a zone from this to this. It's gonna give us a good profit though. Let's see if I go. It's yep, same 611 pips. I was right. So yeah, highest probability of going low. Maybe, um, maybe just because over here we see rejection, so maybe it has a highest probability of going up till this low and then going a boom up, being this over here. So let's see, like it's depends on the market situation. Like 4 hour time frame is bearish, but if I go to 5 minutes time frame, it's consolidation over here, not big movement. So yeah, even if I would have taken ticket, I would have taken trade like on a zone where I have, so I can see this high probability of taking the trend into the continuation. Maybe it's a temporary fall because it needs some support to go up. So there's no support over here. So yeah, very good. So here we go with the final um, currency, not currency, it's a metal. It's gold, the most volatile metal currently, or the most volatile market you can trade upon currently. So yep, here we are. Let's take a reset, reload this chart. I got some miscalculation on this rejections. Let's see. Okay, 487 into 92. Okay, Richie Rich 228,804 rupees. Okay, here are we. Let's go to okay. Going good. Reset chat view. No needed much, to be honest. Let's go to 60 minutes over here. All we can see is that okay, all we can see is that a bit reloading speed, network speed is low. I don't know what is the issue. You're offline the market. Don't miss your move. You are offline the market are in. So I guess they have some internet issue right now. Just let me rectify it. Fuck bro, not again. Internet speed is good, then why the heck it's yeah, fiber. Okay, I got a dragon. But I won't be able to play it much because I got the internet back. Okay. Doing zone. Okay, no issues. We're gonna mark it again in front of you guys. Okay, it's came back. So yeah. Gold futures. Gold futures says that it's in a bullish move, trending bullish market from this to this. Clearly, it was a good trending bullish market. Eventually went down. Yep, it broke, took some stop losses. Again, continuation of the trend. Which again, if I take it on a highest high basis, all I can see is that it's going the continuation of trend again. So it was just to hit some stop losses in order to gain some liquidity in the market, but we won't be targeting the situation right now because we're gonna go for a pretty well thing. So here are we taking a 4 hour time frames, and yeah, market is bullish. We're gonna look for support zone, but eventually it's already an all-time high. We never know when it's gonna fall because it's very unpredictable, but eventually institution keeps the market like in a volatile way. So here we go, and all I can see is that it's already been marked. So even if I take a Fibonacci thing over here, not like, I guess if I'm trading on an intraday, so I would be looking on a 60 minutes time frame first of all, because that's gonna work for me. So it's already upon this. So here we are. Okay, so this is a support zone. Okay, that's a support zone. There's a resistance zone over here. And we got equilibrium zone, I guess. No, that's not equilibrium. So if I go on, that's, I guess, Fibonacci zone. Like I have marked it, I was taking a shadow here. So here it is. If I take again, taking this, okay, 1 hour time frame. It's a very good range. So if I take the trade at this, it's gonna be better one, to be honest. So yeah, I got rectification. So yep, that's a support zone, and like I'm gonna mark the Fibonacci zone over here. This one, 2972. It's a good fair value gap, I can see. Let's see. Yep, very big fair value gap over here. Very big. 1 hour time frame. Good fair value gap. So eventually I'm gonna mark this one as a FVG zone. FVG, fair value gap, and that's our support zone over here. So I'm gonna remove the Fibonacci for a moment. And you know what is the biggest thing that I can trade upon the gold? Like in this zone, very high probability of hitting, again, take profit of your, like very high probability of reversing the trend. Like if it's go low, lower low, like this gonna make sure, like I'm pretty sure about this one thing, because we got a fair value gap over here, good fair value gap on a 1 hour time frame, and as well as we got a Fibonacci retracement zone of a golden pocket at this particular point. So it's like probability of going up, but yeah, let's see, that's not a big deal. So yep, let's make it a better one. Yeah, and this too. So I guess the zone is somewhere around okay, eventually I'm going to look for a buy order, not a sell order, to be honest. The market is in a bullish movement. So yeah, eventually if it reverses from this point and it goes, it's already 9,000 pips up, but eventually it's gonna broke the higher high again, because we can take a go for $3,100, because it has a high probability of like continuation of the trend, because it is a fair value gap as well as in a 1 hour time frame and Fibonacci retracement. So yeah, gold futures, the next thing. So gold futures is gonna be like on a, maybe it took if it take a support of this or this, it I guess already took a support of this zone. So it's gonna go a bullish way. It's gonna go continuation of trend, to be honest. As well as I think it's gonna go up till 3050. Sorry, 3070. Highest probability of creating a new higher high. So yep, here it is, and yeah, that's how it is. And yep, here we are, and our website is live right now. And yep, here it is. Yep, that's our website over here. You can see it's already, and we are beginning our website of farm. So it's this. You can book us online anytime, anywhere you want. We got some schedules also. So currently the Forex market is free right now for trading with us. And yep, we got some short-term crypto trading and crypto for long-term investments. So the pricing of this crypto for long-term investments are only nearly around like 7,000 rupees currently for the 3 sessions. And yep, short-term crypto trading is a weekly paid based program. It's 700 rupees per week. And yep, and for a short period of time, for like maybe a 2 weeks program, we are having a free Forex trading market right now, and we're going to trade with you on a Forex market as well as with the metal market. So you can take us like for example, if you want to book on 26th of March, which is again, you can see all our sessions that we are available for you to take interacted with us. That's the thing, just choose any slot, click on next, and yep, just add to cart. It's free of cost. When you go to cart, it's gonna sound some like look at it like this. Just take a checkout and done. That's it, nothing much. You can add notes, it's upon you. There's no promo code for now because it's already free. What you can add on promo code? Like nothing. So it is. So yeah, just kindly book us at Trading Clips. So yep, thanks for watching everyone, and hope you like the video. Subscribe to our channel, and yep, let's see, and let's meet soon, like via Zoom call, on Zoom meeting, or anywhere you want. So yeah, thanks for watching, hope you like the video. Ta-da.